Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and easy fish recipe. First, select a fresh fish fillet, such as salmon or cod, aiming for about 6 ounces per serving. Next, gather your basic ingredients: fresh lemon, your favorite herbs like dill or parsley, and a good quality olive oil. Finally, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you plan to bake your fish, ensuring it's ready for cooking. Now, let's prepare your fish for cooking. Begin by gently patting your fish fillets completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a nice, crispy skin if you're searing. Then, season both sides of each fillet generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finish by drizzling about 1 tablespoon of olive oil evenly over the fish, readying it for the heat. There are several quick ways to cook your fish perfectly. If baking, place the seasoned fillets on a baking sheet and cook for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish easily flakes with a fork. For pan searing, heat a skillet with a little oil and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side to get a beautiful golden crust. Grilling also works wonderfully. Cook over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes per side. To complete your delicious fish dish, add some finishing touches. A generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor beautifully. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or dill, for extra color and aroma. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a special occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.